Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the Copkim 4-piece sensor bar set, compatible with the Nintendo Wii and Wii U. This package comes with 4 wired infrared motion sensor bars and clear stands, providing an ample supply whether you're setting up multiple gaming stations or simply want reliable backups. Each sensor bar measures approximately 24 centimeters in length, just under 1 centimeter in height, and has a depth of roughly 1 centimeter, giving it a slim profile that fits neatly in front of your television or monitor. The cable extends to about 6.6 feet, which is convenient for a wide range of console setups and helps avoid tangling during installation. One of the key advantages of this replacement sensor bar set is its wired design. By avoiding wireless connections, it eliminates signal interference and ensures low latency motion capture, which is crucial for precise gameplay. The bars are designed to be plug and play, so setup is straightforward and accessible for gamers of all ages. The included clear stands provide added stability and help position the sensor bars accurately, enhancing tracking performance during gameplay. While these are not official Nintendo products, they are compatible with both Wii and Wii U systems, offering an affordable alternative for those in need of replacements or additional units. The package includes 4 sensor bars with stands, allowing for generous coverage for multiplayer setups or simply keeping spares on hand. Copkim's sensor bars combine functionality, ease of use, and compatibility, making them a practical accessory for anyone looking to maintain or enhance their Wii or Wii U gaming experience. Overall, this 4-pack provides a solid solution for gamers needing reliable, stable, and easy-to-install sensor bars at a budget-friendly price. That's it for today's review on the Copkim 4-piece sensor bar set. If you're looking for dependable motion tracking for your Nintendo console, this could be exactly what you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques.